We think it's important to know how every tech product you rely on makes money. That's why we have a law at mmhmm. The product is the product. That means you're not the product. mmhmm only makes money when people or companies pay us to use mmhmm. It's a very simple business model, but we like it that way. There's a free and a premium version of mmhmm. Everyone can use the full premium version for their first 14 days and for 1 hour every day after that. Afterwards, you can pay to subscribe to mmhmm Premium or continue using the basic version for free. All the premium functionality lives on the right-hand side of your screen in the premium tool chest. It unlocks automatically during your free trial or when you subscribe. When you open the tool chest, you have access to our room menu. We have hundreds of beautiful rooms and we add new ones every week so you can get exactly the look that you're going for, or use your real room, of course. You also have the presenter tools, which is a combination of filters, effects, all sorts of goodies to really make your videos more expressive and more memorable. You can also buy mmhmm for your whole company to keep everyone on your team professional and on brand. And if you're a student or an educator, mmhmm Premium is available for free. Just head over to this URL to verify your email address and you're all set.